In the realm of self-mastery and personal development, few realize how profoundly dark psychology can impact one's journey to success. Often misunderstood as merely a tool for manipulation, dark psychology is far more than that. It's not just about influencing others, it can also be harnessed to take control of your own mind. By delving into the subtle forces that drive your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, you unlock hidden potential within yourself, accelerating your path to success. Visionary thinkers like Carl Jung and Robert Greene have extensively explored the darker aspects of the human psyche, revealing that true self-mastery requires understanding both the light and shadow within. Dark psychology, when applied to your own mindset, becomes a powerful tool for mental transformation. It allows you to break free from self-imposed limits, overcome internal barriers, and push beyond your perceived capabilities. To harness these benefits, it's crucial to first understand and then apply the principles of dark psychology to your mindset, leading you toward your highest potential. Number 1, recognize and reprogram your limiting beliefs. Become your own master. One of the first steps to taking control of your mindset is recognizing the limiting beliefs that shape your reality. Dr. Albert Ellis, the founder of Rational Emotive Behavior Therapy, REBT, stressed that our beliefs govern how we perceive the world. Often, we are unaware of the invisible barriers created by these limiting beliefs, whether it's fear of failure, self-doubt, or the belief that success is out of reach. These negative thoughts act as chains that hold us back. Dark psychology encourages you to approach these beliefs with cold, analytical clarity. Begin by identifying the specific limiting thoughts that are preventing you from achieving your goals. Once identified, actively work on reprogramming these beliefs using tools like affirmations, visualization, or cognitive restructuring. For instance, if you constantly think, "I'm not good enough," replace this thought with an empowering affirmation like, "I am capable of achieving my goals." Over time, these small changes will rewire your brain to think more positively, allowing you to overcome mental barriers that once felt insurmountable. Number 2, use self-persuasion techniques. Manipulate your own thoughts. Dark psychology is known for its techniques of influencing and persuading others, but these methods can be turned inward influence your own thoughts and actions. Self-persuasion is the process of convincing yourself to adopt new behaviors or beliefs that align with your goals. Psychologist Leon Festinger's theory of cognitive dissonance highlights how we naturally seek to align our beliefs with our actions. When we behave in ways that conflict with our existing beliefs, our minds experience discomfort and work to resolve this inconsistency. You can use this to your advantage by setting bold, ambitious goals and taking actions that challenge your current mindset. For example, if you've always doubted your public speaking abilities, start by signing up for a speaking event. The discomfort that arises from your actions conflicting with your self-doubt will push your mind to adapt, leading you to become more confident and capable. Over time, self-persuasion techniques help you cultivate a mindset that is aligned with success, ambition, and resilience. Number 3, master emotional detachment, the key to mental resilience. In his work on Stoicism, Roman emperor and philosopher Marcus Aurelius spoke extensively about the importance of emotional control in maintaining mental clarity. Similarly, dark psychology teaches you how to detach emotionally from situations that could otherwise cloud your judgment and disrupt your focus. Emotional detachment doesn't mean suppressing or ignoring your feelings. Instead, it means training your mind to respond to emotions in a controlled and constructive manner. When faced with challenges, instead of reacting impulsively or becoming overwhelmed by fear, frustration, or anger, emotional detachment allows you to assess the situation objectively. You view the problem from a distance, analyzing it without the interference of heightened emotions. This level-headedness is crucial for navigating difficult situations and maintaining mental resilience. Over time, this mindset builds your capacity to handle stress, maintain focus, and make decisions that are aligned with your long-term goals. Number 4, embrace shadow work. Unleash the hidden power of your subconscious. Carl Jung, a pioneer in modern psychology, introduced the concept of the shadow self, referring to the parts of our personality that we hide or suppress because they don't align with our ideal self-image. According to Jung, self-mastery involves confronting and integrating this shadow self. Dark psychology encourages you to explore and accept your hidden traits, flaws, fears, and desires, rather than denying or repressing them. For example, if you feel envious of others' success, rather than ignoring this emotion, use it as motivation to push yourself harder. Recognizing and integrating these darker elements of your psyche allows you to channel them into productive actions. This practice, known as shadow work, transforms the parts of you that were once sources of shame or fear into strengths. When you embrace your shadow, you become more authentic and grounded, unlocking deeper levels of personal power and self-awareness. Number 5, use fear as a weapon. Turn anxiety into fuel for growth. Fear is one of the most primal emotions, and it often holds us back. But in dark psychology, fear is not viewed as something to avoid. It's seen as a tool to propel you forward. Dr. Jordan Peterson, a clinical psychologist and professor, frequently discusses the concept of voluntary confrontation with chaos. This involves deliberately facing your fears head-on rather than avoiding them. When you confront situations that scare you, such as public speaking, tackling a difficult project, or initiating a challenging conversation, you step outside your comfort zone. Initially, the fear may seem overwhelming, but each time you confront it, you build psychological resilience. Over time, your brain rewires itself to associate fear with growth opportunities rather than threats. By transforming fear from an obstacle into a catalyst for action, you unlock new levels of personal and professional achievement. Number 6, practice mental manipulation. Control your inner narrative. Your internal dialogue, the constant stream of thoughts running through your mind, plays a massive role in shaping your reality. Dark psychology teaches the art of mental manipulation, not to control others, but to influence your own mind. The concept is rooted in cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, developed by Aaron Beck, which emphasizes the power of thoughts in determining emotions and actions. The key idea is simple. The thoughts you entertain directly affect your feelings and behavior. If you can control your inner narrative, you can manipulate how you perceive challenges, setbacks, and opportunities. For example, when negative or self-defeating thoughts surface, like, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough," you must challenge them with logic and evidence. Ask yourself, is this thought based on facts or fear? Replace these negative beliefs with empowering alternatives such as, "I am capable of growth," or "I have overcome challenges before, and I will again." This form of self-manipulation trains your mind to stay positive, focused, and confident in the face of adversity. The more you practice controlling your inner dialogue, the more power you will have over your mindset and behavior, steering them toward your desired goals. In the long run, this technique rewires your brain to default to a more optimistic, goal-oriented way of thinking, significantly increasing your chances of success. Number 7, harness the power of obsession. Focus relentlessly on your goals. Obsession often carries a negative connotation, as it can lead to unhealthy behaviors or fixation. However, when channeled effectively, obsession becomes a powerful force that drives relentless focus and commitment to achieving your goals. Dark psychology taps into this obsessive energy, using it as fuel to push you toward success. Psychologist Angela Duckworth's research on grit shows that passion and perseverance are essential for long-term success. Grit is about sticking with your goals even when things get tough and obsessively focusing on what truly matters to you. When you're obsessed with achieving a particular goal, whether it's mastering a skill, building a business, or improving yourself, you tap into a focused drive that ordinary motivation cannot match. Harness this power by identifying what you're most passionate about and letting it consume your attention. Create a plan, break it into actionable steps, and focus relentlessly on these steps every day. This focused obsession will propel you to achieve far more than you ever thought possible, helping you reach new levels of achievement and mastery. Number 8, control your environment. Shape external influences to serve you. Your environment has a massive impact on your mindset and behavior. Dark psychology teaches that if you want to control your mind, you must first control the influences around you. Psychologist Dr. B.J. Fogg's behavior model highlights how environmental triggers play a crucial role in shaping our actions. To take full control of your mindset, Start by eliminating negative influences in your environment. These could be toxic people, bad habits, or unproductive routines that drain your energy and distract you from your goals. Replace these with positive influences. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Create routines that align with your objectives, and design spaces that promote focus and productivity. For example, if you're working on a project that requires deep concentration, create a dedicated workspace free from distractions. If certain social groups or relationships are dragging you down, distance yourself from them and instead engage with those who support your growth. By controlling your environment, you not only make it easier to stay on track, but also give your mind the space and clarity it needs to thrive. Number 9, embrace delayed gratification. Master impulse control. Delayed gratification is one of the most powerful tools for long-term success. The ability to resist short-term temptations in favor of long-term rewards is a hallmark of self-control. Dark psychology helps you cultivate this skill by teaching you how to master your impulses and make decisions that align with your long-term goals. Walter Mischel's famous Stanford marshmallow experiment demonstrated that children who could delay gratification were more successful later in life. The lesson here is clear. Those who can manage their immediate desires in favor of greater future rewards have a distinct advantage. To practice delayed gratification, start by identifying the areas in your life where you tend to seek instant pleasure, whether it's scrolling on social media, eating unhealthy foods, or procrastinating on important tasks. Then create strategies to resist these impulses. For example, if you're tempted to check your phone while working, set strict time limits for your breaks. Over time, as you train yourself to prioritize long-term benefits over immediate pleasure, you'll build greater discipline and patience, essential traits for achieving your most ambitious goals. Number 10, tap into the power of visualization. Create your desired reality. Visualization is a technique often associated with positive psychology, but dark psychology takes this concept to a deeper level. It involves manipulating your brain into believing that your goals have already been achieved, thereby propelling you to take action as if your success is inevitable. Neuroscience shows that the brain reacts to visualized actions almost as strongly as to real actions. When you visualize yourself succeeding, whether in a job interview, a competition, or a personal goal, you activate the same neural pathways that would fire if you were actually performing those tasks. This primes your mind and body for success, making it more likely that you will achieve the outcomes you desire. To harness the power of visualization, create vivid, detailed mental images of your goals. Imagine not only the end result, but also the steps you will take to achieve it. Feel the emotions associated with success, and let these feelings drive your actions. By consistently focusing on your vision, your subconscious mind will begin to align your thoughts, behaviors, and decisions with your goals, increasing your likelihood of success. Number 11, exploit cognitive biases. Hack your own brain for success. Cognitive biases are mental shortcuts that influence how we make decisions. Although these biases can often lead to irrational thinking, dark psychology teaches you how to exploit them for your own benefit. Nobel laureate Daniel Kahneman's work on behavioral economics highlights many cognitive biases that shape our everyday decisions, such as the confirmation bias, which makes us seek information that confirms our existing beliefs. You can use this bias to reinforce positive beliefs about yourself and your abilities. For example, filter out negative feedback or doubt, and focus on evidence that supports your confidence and competence. When you repeatedly validate your strengths and successes, you create a psychological loop that strengthens your belief in your ability to succeed. Over time, this bias works to your advantage, allowing you to build a mindset of unshakable self-assurance. The more you recognize and manipulate your cognitive biases, the more effectively you can control your mindset and actions, steering them toward your goals and enhancing your overall success. Number 12, develop mental toughness. Cultivate a resilient mindset. While dark psychology provides powerful short-term tactics for gaining control over your mind, true mastery requires long-term mental toughness. Angela Duckworth's research on grit highlights that perseverance and resilience are critical to achieving high levels of success. To fully reach your potential, you need to cultivate mental toughness, the ability to stay focused and motivated even in the face of challenges and setbacks. Building mental toughness involves consistently pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Set challenging goals that stretch your abilities and commit to achieving them even when things get tough. When you feel like quitting, remind yourself of your larger purpose and keep pushing forward. Each time you overcome adversity, you strengthen your resilience, making it easier to tackle future obstacles. Ultimately, mental toughness is the foundation for lasting success. The more you develop this inner strength, the more equipped you will be to handle life's challenges and emerge stronger, more focused, and more determined to achieve your goals. By applying these dark psychology techniques, you can take control of your mindset and unlock your true potential. The insights you've gained from this video aren't just ordinary tips. They are powerful, hidden lessons that 99% of people overlook. You've now learned strategies that most people never tap into, giving you a significant edge in mastering your inner world and achieving extraordinary results in your outer world. If you found these hidden gems valuable, make sure to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button so you never miss another video packed with powerful techniques like these. Your journey to mastering your mind has just begun.